To transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Kucoin, start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the account balance page. Here you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold, including USDT. Click on the USDT entry to view its details. Then click on the Withdraw button. You will be prompted to enter the withdrawal amount and the recipient address. Before entering the recipient address, log into your Kucoin account and navigate to the Assets page. Click on the Deposit button next to USDT. Then select the USDT network you want to use, such as Ethereum or Tron. Kucoin will display the deposit address for USDT, which you should copy and paste into the recipient address field in your Crypto.com account. Make sure to select the correct network, as using the wrong network can result in lost funds. After entering the recipient address and withdrawal amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will also need to pay a small transaction fee, which will be deducted from your USDT balance. Once you have confirmed the transaction, click the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. The USDT will be transferred from your Crypto.com account to your Kucoin account, and you will receive a confirmation email when the transaction is complete. It is essential to note that transaction processing times may vary depending on the network congestion, and it may take some time for the USDT to appear in your Kucoin account. To avoid any issues, make sure to double-check the recipient address and network before initiating the withdrawal. It is also crucial to keep your accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Kucoin and start trading or storing your USDT on the Kucoin platform. Always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.